friends, I'm Dr. Poonam Mishra from Lucknow. I'm an obstetrician and gynecologist, and basically I'm a cosmetic gynecologist. I practice in Lucknow and I run a small center in Manas Hospital and another center in Hazratganj, Lucknow with the name of Manas Cosmetic Gynecology and Laser Center. Since I am a gynae cosmetologist, so I am much more inclined towards the facts, towards the treatments which are directly related to the females which are having some structural abnormalities in their genital parts, in their hidden parts, which are responsible for their low esteem, for their decreased confidence, their lack of confidence inside them. So today we are going to discuss about the latest upcoming branch of cosmetic gynecology. This is a branch which deals with the innate beauty of a female. It is the internal beauty with which we deal with, and actually the fact is that every female is a born beautiful one. She is beautiful by default. But what happens? Sometimes a female thinks that she is having inequality, asymmetry inside her. Whenever she looks in the mirror or whenever she feels that her partner is not happy with that structural abnormality or that appearance, that actually creates problems. She feels that she should be beautiful. What we have actually acquired in our practice, that a female thinks about her inner beauty also. So gynae cosmetology or cosmetic gynecology is something which is going to complete her. It is responsible for a complete makeover inside out. The face is visible to everyone, but the inner parts are something very private to her, and she needs beauty over there also. Actually, what happens with aging as well as with childbirth, a huge baby once is born, like average weight of a baby is 3.5, and these days 4 kg babies are also being born, and sometimes with the delivery, vaginal delivery, that gives the pleasure of having a baby inside in your lap, that also gives a blown out perineum too. So what happens, even with the perfect episiotomy, there is laxity inside, the looseness inside her vagina. So she feels that she's loose, she's not that tight, she's not that beautiful for her partner as she was earlier. So she seeks for some treatment. One more thing, that with aging or with some trauma, this birth trauma, childbirth, this all gives some weakness to her pelvic floor, which leads to a little prolapse of uterus, some looseness, as I told, looseness inside the vagina, as well as she starts leaking. A little urge she feels. That was not earlier with her. But what happens with aging, with these trauma, she is now having much more urge. She is having stress urinary incontinence also. As soon as she laughs, as soon as she works a little strenuously, or she does something heavy, or she walks even much more, then she feels like urinating. She runs over here, she seeks some loo to go. So this is also a problem, and this problem should be tackled at the earliest, because this is going to create some problems like severe form of stress urinary incontinence or mixed urinary incontinence. So these all things come inside. The milder varieties are dealt with in this branch, this cosmetic gynecology, and this also deals with the appearance of the inner parts, like the ladies having stretch marks, they are dealt with. The asymmetry, body contouring, body shaping, genital bleach, these hypopigmentation of the hyperpigmented abdomen as well as the genitalia, these all are being dealt with in this cosmetic gynecology procedures. And one more thing, some smaller fine surgeries also we do, like labiaplasty. Both these labia minora are not equal, there are asymmetry. Sometimes congenitally they are so hypertrophied that the lady feels pain, she feels discomfort during sports, or whenever she wears something tight with tight garments, she feels that something is protruding. That is very, actually, that is something embarrassing also. That's why she comes to us for the corrections and surgical corrections. And also there are the fullness is lost with aging as well as with some trauma. There are some asymmetry in labia majora also. So we do fat graftings, we do fillers installation inside, and many of the times females come for the breast lifting also. They need breast contouring, and let me tell you very frankly, and something this is a branch which is a teamwork. This cosmetic gynecology itself is a branch which incorporates this includes the gynecologist, a plastic surgeon, a dermatologist, a psychiatrist, as well as a urogynecologist. So this is an entity which is completed by the inclusion of these all specialists, and this is something very futuristic, very much upcoming one, and I'm so happy that I'm here to deal with these minor problems which seem to be minor, but actually they are quite major for those females, and I'm going to help them to make beautiful inside out. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.